WanChain. It's a project that raised $36 million in just 1 minute. That was during its 2017 ICO. And WanChain is now quickly carving out a path to become a prominent competitor to the king of DeFi, aka Ethereum. And that's because WanChain is close to achieving what many feel DeFi truly needs right now. And that, of course, is cross-chain interoperability, a crucial component of the multi-chain blockchain market structure. In fact, just take a look at this. Bridges like WanChain have become so crucial for blockchain interoperability that at present, over $7.7 billion are locked in bridges to Ethereum. And so in this video, we're going to take you through the fundamentals of WanChain. What are its future plans? Why are we excited about WanChain? And why it's a project that ought to be on your radar as well. And stay tuned because at the end of this video, we're going to unveil a realistic price prediction for WanChain, ticker WAN. Hey guys, I am Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto research investing company. We've been early investors in Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Crypto.com, Engine, Matic Network, Chiliz, Quant Network, Polkadot, Uniswap, and of course, many other 100x projects. If you guys don't want to miss out on the next potential altcoin gem, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz. Also hit the bell to receive notifications. That way you are alerted every time we publish a new video. And let's face it, cryptocurrency videos like this one are often time sensitive. Of course, as you guys know, none of this is financial or investment advice. If you do choose to invest, as I always like to say, we wish you very well. There are risks associated with investments in this space, but again, this video, not financial or investment advice. Okay, so we've been talking a lot lately about future blockchain trends in our videos. Projects that will lead such trends will have a very bright future, at least that's our opinion. And we've already seen sectors like DeFi, NFTs, that's non-fungible tokens, and the metaverse trending. So the question is, what is next? Well, a bridge solution that breaks the silos in the blockchain space and allows seamless transfers of value and information between two blockchains. That's the next big thing in our opinion. It should be easy to use, it should be decentralized, and it must integrate multiple blockchains and truly hold the power to create cross-chain dApps, decentralized applications of the future. And WanChain, at least right now, looks to be a front runner. It's way ahead of its competitors, and it's becoming extremely popular for good reason. So why are we so excited about WanChain? Well, ever since the Ethereum network became so congested, and many of you guys that are using it know what I'm talking about, this obviously resulted in high gas fees. Well, there's been this constant focus on layer 2 solutions, as well as on alternate blockchains. And we've already seen tokens of projects like Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, and Phantom, which have been pumping lately. And Polkadot will join the group soon. That's what we feel. While such projects are building a useful ecosystem of innovative dApps, there are a few problems which these blockchains are unable to currently solve individually. For example, movement of funds. Let's say that in order to move funds from Ethereum to Avalanche, a traditional user has to move funds from his or her MetaMask Ethereum account to a centralized exchange like Binance and then send it to Avalanche. Well, this process is too complicated, tedious, costly, error-prone, and at the end of the day, it's still centralized. Siloed blockchains might not get easy access to the latest innovations in other blockchains, and developers are unable to collaborate cross-blockchain. While there are one-off cross-chain bridges available, they do not really scale and provide an integrated solution linking multiple bridges. Hence, users still need to use multiple bridge platforms. And ultimately, to have a global network of blockchains, all blockchains need to be interconnected. Imagine all such blockchains as individual houses, and the street connects each of the houses. That street, in a sense, or that network of streets, is WanChain. It is the highway, it is the infrastructure that transfers value from one blockchain to another. WanChain's solution is built upon the pillars of cross-chain, smart contracts, and privacy. Let's first talk about the cross-chain bridge. WanChain's primary product is a powerful decentralized blockchain interoperability solution. Earlier this year in 2021, WanChain launched the world's first decentralized BTC ETH, that's Bitcoin Ethereum Direct Bridge. WanChain's decentralized bridges currently connect the following blockchains. So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, WanChain, EOS, Binance Smart Chain, XRP Ledger, Litecoin, Moonriver, Avalanche Chain, and the much anticipated Polkadot Bridge, which will be announced very soon. Okay, so for example, let's say Alice, a user, wants to move Bitcoin to the Ethereum chain in order to participate in yield farming. Well, with the OneChain Bridge, she can, number one, lock Bitcoin in the Bitcoin blockchain, 2, issue proxy tokens in the Ethereum chain, 3, use the proxy tokens abundantly in dApps through OneChain's cross-chain ecosystem, and 4, Alice can burn the proxy tokens and get back the original BTC in Bitcoin chain, all in a decentralized, non-custodial way. Let's take another example of, say, Bob, a developer. He can use OneChain to create fully decentralized cross-chain applications like cross-chain decentralized exchange, cross-chain mobile payments, connected enterprise blockchain, and other examples as well. We're going to talk more about such applications and how to earn from them in the ecosystem section of this video. Okay, so that was the cross-chain bridge. Let's now discuss smart contracts. OneChain blockchain is based on Ethereum's codebase and allows the deployment of smart contracts. A dApp can assess a digital asset from any blockchain in OneChain's blockchain, and using this feature, OneChain is slowly creating an ecosystem of dApps. And let's mention privacy as well. OneChain also has a privacy layer to enable any private transaction. OneChain has a big team of over 50 members and 20 advisors. It's headquartered in Singapore, and the teams are located in China and the USA, while the other team members are spread around the world in Asia, Africa, and Europe, so very global in terms of its representation. The team is comprised of PhDs with applied mathematics degrees and highly experienced software engineers, cryptographers, computer scientists, financial experts, and media and community managers. So some pretty intelligent people. CEO Jack Liu has more than 22 years of technical experience. He was previously the CTO, that's Chief Technical Officer, of the very popular blockchain startup Factom. And OneChain's VP of Engineering, Dr. Weijia Zhang, is one of the leading researchers working on the future of cross-chain. He is the regional head of China of Enterprise Ethereum Alliance and is co-chair, alongside ConsenSys's Peter Robinson, of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance's cross-chain interoperability workgroup. How's that for a mouthful? Let's look at tokenomics here. So WAN, that's WAN, is the native utility coin of OneChain. A total of 210 million tokens are available. 92% of the tokens are already circulating, and that means the potential of a major dump is very low. And taking a look here at the last 90 days, the last 3 months, OneChain has been seeing a steady increase in price. Now, at the time of this recording, the whole of the market is kind of down, but that's okay. When in doubt, zoom out, take a look at the macro trend. And this appreciation over the course of these last 3 months is mainly because of OneChain's steady delivery, improved 2021 roadmap, which we're going to take a look at in just a sec, and focused marketing. The WAN token is mainly used for securing OneChain's POS blockchain, proof of stake block rewards, cross-chain bridge node staking rewards, and paying transaction fees. OneChain's POS validator nodes have approximately 60 million WAN locked. That represents about 30% of the total supply. And this will potentially increase with increased popularity of OneChain. And staking a validator node currently earns you 8% rewards, actually between 8 and 13%. All right, let's talk ecosystem. So WAN tokens are accepted by a wide range of applications. WANSwap, a cross-chain DEX, for example, enables WAN-based liquidity mining. WANLend, which is another decentralized lending platform, allows users to stake WAN tokens as collateral. WAN tokens can also be used in Zookeeper, an NFT-based gamified yield farming platform, and a project that we've looked at in the past. If you're not familiar with that video, go back and check it out. We'll link to that in the description below. Phoenix Finance, a decentralized derivatives marketplace. Jackspot is a no-loss lottery game built on OneChain, and Instant Cross is a semi-decentralized cross-chain solution to bypass cross-chain transaction fees. Using the OneChain ecosystem, you can earn multiple types of yields. For example, stake in Hive on OneSwap to earn a share of 1,000 WAN each week. You can also earn by providing liquidity on OneSwap farming pairs. or earn by providing liquidity on Phoenix Finance mining pairs. And you can also earn by compounding when you want to lend out your assets on OneLend, which is OneChain's compounding dApp. Let's talk growth and longevity. The OneChain team successfully developed the world's first entirely decentralized Bitcoin to Ethereum direct bridge and produced a decentralized direct bridge between the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum in the first few months of 2021. Then in April, the OneChain team launched cross-chain bridges connecting XRP Ledger, OneChain, and Ethereum. OneChain plans to expand the number of chains connected by their decentralized cross-chain technology in 2021, as well as foster the development of applications that benefit from their technology. So the plan is to incorporate several new public chains, as well as numerous new assets. And another major focus will be the growth of the OneChain developer community. OneChain will also introduce the new Layer 2 to Layer 2 direct bridges. Polkadot and the DOT token, as well as other substrate-based tokens, will be integrated by OneChain in the future. And also, OneChain will continue to integrate other new ERC20 tokens in order to make them available for usage in the OneChain DeFi ecosystem. Okay, let's talk competitors. Well, the cross-chain bridge solution is still a niche field. And there have been products like Ren who have been gaining popularity recently. Ren is able to bring Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Zcash on Ethereum. And then you also have upcoming projects like Darwinia that are trying to solve the same problem. So this one has been able to create bridges between Ethereum, Darwinia, Heco Chain, Polygon, and they're currently working on EOS, Kusama, and others. However, nobody's able to capture a major market share just yet. The market is really only just getting started. It's in the development phases. But once this space matures, the scope really is huge. There's massive potential here. And OneChain with a broader scope of service is in a better position to win out when it comes to that market share. Okay, let's talk about OneChain's token price. So WAN is still down at the time of this recording, about 72% from its all-time high. With a fully diluted market cap of 200 million, OneChain, in our opinion, has a lot of room to grow. So as we record right now, WAN, that's WAN, sits just below $1 at 99.4 cents. And as per our recent technical analysis, if WAN can turn this zone into support, we could start seeing a move towards $1.12, $1.33, $1.67, $2.23, $2.78, and $3.13. All of this, of course, based on Fibonacci levels. But a failure to break this resistance could lead to a drop further down towards about 77.5 cents and a little further to 65.8 cents. So that's all we have for today. And as you can tell, we are excited about OneChain. We feel that this project has a huge amount of potential. It all comes down to how they're going to deliver in the weeks and months ahead. We'll be keeping a close eye on the initiative. So guys, in this video, hopefully you learned a lot about OneChain. Our team is endeavoring really to deep dive and sink our teeth into these kinds of projects that we're excited about. Spoiler alert, we invest personally at Altcoin Buzz in those projects that excite us. And again, not financial advice or investment advice, but if you do choose to invest, we wish you only the very best of luck. If you found this video useful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to Altcoin Buzz, that's our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell to receive notifications. That way you are alerted every time we put out a new video. Guys, stay safe out there, members of the Altcoin Buzz army. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.